Orangeburg County, South Carolina is the second largest county by land mass in the state of South Carolina. Because of that, the county has over 11 industrial parks where we continue to recruit new companies and retain those existing companies. Those 11 industrial parks help grow and nurture that economic vitality for Orangeburg County, South Carolina. I'm the Executive Director of Orangeburg County Development Commission, also referred to as OCDC. We are the premier economic development agency for Orangeburg County, South Carolina. Western Orangeburg County Industrial Park is open and ready for business. It's 236 acres and has a 75,000 square foot pad ready for development. We also have an elevated water tank on site. It is adjacent to CSX mainline. We are in a very close proximity to I-20 and I-26, making it very conducive for logistics, warehousing, and transportation. It's going to give a huge opportunity for those residents that live out there a better quality of life. That better quality of life comes with good paying jobs. Good paying jobs will want to come to that park because of all of the amenities that are located within it, especially if you're into light industrial manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, or transportation. That's the huge opportunity you get by locating over there. I love Orangeburg County. It's a great place to live, work, and play. If you're looking for a lifelong partner, come to Orangeburg County. Western Orangeburg County Industrial Park will get you up and running the quickest in any place in South Carolina.